welcome back everybody, welcome to another video. And today we have, goodness, this is really high up. We have my dad here. Say hi.
Hey guys.
This is his 4Runner and we're just gonna be taking it on a drive. And yeah, and wait, I'll pop the hood real quick and show him. Say, what is it? A 4
liter.
4 liter.
Yeah. V6, the bulletproof engine. The FE.
It's not the V8 because V8 gets absolutely terrible gas mileage, like Land Cruiser bad. So
this is my work truck, so I have to drive it a lot.
We're good on the V8. This already gets bad enough. Has KO2s. It's really hard for you guys to see, isn't it? But it has KO2s. And yeah. Actually, I think the entire suspension was reworked on this.
Yeah, they did long reach rear bars.
Yep.
Stabilizers, 3-inch lift. It's a good little system.
Yep. We've taken it off-roading a couple times. I wonder when it can go off-roading again, actually.
Maybe next weekend.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright.
Jump in.
Seatbelt.
Yep, we'll keep the wipers on just in case it starts pouring. It's Florida, so you never know.
Wait, is the wipers on already?
Yep.
Okay.
It's intermittent. Is your seat fine? You move forward, backward?
Let me see. I think that's good.
Okay, and you can lift it if you need on the side too.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
Yep. Brake on, gear in.
Trust this turnout up here.
Yeah, so go pretty pop to the fence.
There's always people. I think there was a crash here one time actually.
Yeah, there's been a couple. It's usually at night when the bar over there is busy.
Yeah, of course it's by the bar.
Yep, good. You go left.
No one out today.
Yeah, it's quiet. It's good.
Gigantic this truck is, you sometimes have to really make sure you're just worried.
Yeah. Come up here and we'll take a left.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
So the Sylvia. 240 SX? Sylvia. Yep. Good.
Because no one living there. Oh, lady still is there. That's nice.
Yeah. She'll probably be there forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about right radius.
Luckily, the turning radius is good enough on this thing for an SUV.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Of course, with the giant off-road tires we have on it, it does reduce it a bit.
It out every time you
I always try to tell her to avoid that, but it's alright.
Yeah.
She's not used to.
Yep, take it right here. Go up to the end here. What we'll do, we'll go left, 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 and then back around that one, right?
Okay.
So, nice.
Which way?
Go left. See, and this is a better one to practice in than the Mustang because it's got a lot lighter pedal. The
Yeah.
Mustang is a little bit
Heavy.
yeah. Go left over here. It's a bit of a blind corner, but you should be good to go.
Yeah, we chose this area because it's a couple grid streets, you know, it's easier, so.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet on a Sunday, especially.
Yeah.
Drive. Alright, go left here. Sort of teach you avoidance of cars on the side of the road. There's some stop signs. It's quiet, so it's a perfect place to live.
Yeah.
Alright, take it right here.
Oh yeah, that leads back to this area, so it's just a little loop.
Yep.
It also teaches you how to avoid these trash cans that people leave on the road sometimes.
Yeah. That's the one. Keep going straight. Go around this bend.
Okay.
Bit of a blind corner up here, so just stay to your right. Just keep an eye out.
Obviously, watch out for the mailboxes.
Going around.
Obviously, I'm guessing you get used to, like, where the mirrors are and stuff.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, that's a bit of, you're nearly the same height as me, so it's, you don't have to reposition them too much. Yep, keep going straight up this road.
Doing 25 exactly, I think, because the speedo's a bit off. Little G. So slow. What is this?
Slow dark crossing.
Oh. Keep going straight?
Yep.
Okay. I mean, can't really do much now, because...
No, they're all dead end streets too. So, come up to this stop sign, it's going to be up on our right up here. And take right. And it's
This
called
one?
Place, yep.
Yep.
Right up here. And at this stop sign, we'll take a right. This old guy here has a 69 Chevelle. It's really nice in his garage.
That's cool.
You're good. Creep up, creep up. Yep, you're good. Gonna go straight.
Oh.
Straight up, go to the end of this one.
never knew those. Oh, I know this area.
Yeah, Sun Chase.
We used to come around here when you guys went to Cali, and we used to play around this area when
Yeah.
Grandpa was over there.
Yep. That's right. Alright, we'll take a left here.
Another 4Runner. These 4Runners are, this generation is fairly common. I think the 5th gen is obviously definitely more common.
Yeah.
But
These ones, whatever ones are still running, people are still driving.
yep, that's why they're so common.
It's been around a long time. Alright, take a right here. Oh,
Yep.
I'm good.
Gotta learn to creep up a bit slower so I don't have to slam on it like that.
Oh, that's alright. It's just a feel. After a week or two, you'll have that down. Please, you'll take a left here. This is back to that blind corner again. Check right here. Round, take a left at this one. Now, go through this right side, and then we'll take a right into the parking lot.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright. There you go. Okay, stop. No, that's not bad.
Ah!
Yep.
Wait, let me check. How bad is it on that side?
No, you're actually pretty good. Pretty straight. Alright,
Okay.
so back out to go that way.
Alright, we'll go back over. We'll go behind that,
Yep, we're gonna cheat a little bit and go left through here. Because it's one way, but we're not going to the main road just yet. Maybe next time.
Alright, this is tight.
Yep, not too tight, but yep, there you go. Go up to the stop sign, we'll take it left. Watch out for big here. I think the bank's closed anyway, but yep. Just in case. Yep.
Sometimes you just gotta hope that no one's coming.
Yeah. Alright, now go left into this one. Alright, now what you want to do is, yep, and then we're going to back it into a space. See if you can do that. Find one where you're kind
Oh,
of.
come on.
Yep. Now, yeah, you're right. Now hook it to the right, not too much to the right. Turn it right a little, not straight. Yep, keep going. A little bit. Yep, right a little. Keep going. Straighten it up. Stop. It's perfect.
Is it?
Yep. Got it. Nice, dude.
Alright.
So, you're getting your basics down, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want to do one more loop around this parking lot?
Sure.
Go ahead, might as well.
Then I'll come back
Yep.
here and then park
Come
it
back
in.
here.
Just park it in regularly. Don't have to do the Durango all the time.
Yeah, back it in.
Mr. Red Durango.
Mm-hmm. Got anyone coming?
I literally can't see him.
Nope. Right here. Yeah, it's good. You're getting the medium between going out before you turn. It's not a semi, but you do have to take it a little wide. Alright, take it right back in here.
Yep. Actually, let's just.
Yeah, up here. Find a parking spot there. Beautiful. Nice.
It's alright.
Yep, there we go. Put him in park. Nice.
Might not be the straightest, but
It's alright. It was smooth. You get in there next time, you'll be a little bit more on it. That's perfect. I'll give you an 8 out of 10 this time.
okay.
Confirm.
Wait, where's my? Oh, here. Okay, park. Yep. Alright.
Yep.
Alright, good enough.
Good
Yeah.
job.
All right.
There you go.
That'll be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my driving. That's about it. I mean,
We'll do it again this week sometime.
yeah.
Keep
All right.
practicing almost to your license.